Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel. As you see, this video it's going to be the replacement of the Y exhaust part, and the first step is very easy if your car is not that rust as mine, but is to remove and disconnect the bolts from the catalytic converter. As is supposed to be in normal circumstances. You got the front and the rear catalytic converter connection, and that's supposed to be about 4 bolts and nuts. I did remove some nuts out until I realized the bolts are too rusty, so I got my grinder to make my job easier. And it needed about 2 cuts in the front one and also another one above the subframe. Is just to make the job easier. This way you don't have to, um, you know, go and play with it to make sure you get the pipe removed in the front. Because as you see, if you work on this kind of a car, the pipe goes um, under the car, and then it goes above the subframe over the steering column, and then it goes down again under the engine. So this way it's making the connection with the front and rear catalytic converter. But it wasn't too hard. There's another mention is the reinforce, or also sub part of the subframe that connects the radiator support with the actual subframe. I didn't remove completely, but I did unscrew the rear side to make more space and have access to cut the rest of the rusty bolts to finally remove the whole pipe. Last step of removal is going to be the rubber piece, also the exhaust holder absorber. This is on the rear side of the subframe. As you see, guys, it's really rusty and old. Um, I'm not trying to damage my rubber piece, the absorber, but it's pretty kind of tight. Sometimes spraying WD-40 will help to also remove this. But yeah, as you see in the video, it was a little bit kind of hard and complicated to remove it. But I finally did it. And also there is a connection that has to be kind of in normal conditions to be kind of unscrewed, or at least get loose to remove the pipe. I did not remove it because as I told you guys, I did cut mine, but I will show you in the video how to do it. I think it was a 13-14 millimeter socket. I can use a short or a long one, and just get it loose to remove the exhaust pipe. As well, it's very rusty. I even tried to remove mine, and I did not. I couldn't be able to even move it or turn it. It was at that point so rusty inside. It was just it became one piece. So I was actually glad I did not play with it too much, because all the bolts and screws, any connection on this at this point was devastating. So yeah, the cutting this pipe was the best idea that I had that day. once we got everything out, it's time to install the new part. I got myself a aftermarket part. It's a the Y shape exhaust. It's only comes in a couple of pieces. It's about 3-4 pieces. Yeah, it's like just like a Lego. It has to be built in on right on the car. So let me show you my results. It took me a little bit of time to put everything together and then attach it on the car. So here we go. I'm just about to tie up the last nut on. Unfortunately, this part it weirdly come with no bolts or nuts on it, but at least they gave me the gaskets that was actually very helpful because from the old one was really bad and it was leaking. um, so as you see guys, everything worked well. I did check it a couple of times, warm and cold start, see if I don't have any vibration, weird noise while driving or even on the lift. Everything turned to be actually really well. Make sure you guys tied up everything together before getting on the road. Take care. Be careful with also the grinder. But so far, this was a really a challenge for myself. I don't have to cut exhaust every day. Um, I suggest you to do the same, to take a moment and make sure you tied up everything before getting on the road. Here you can see in the video what I was telling you earlier is the piece that I put on the side to have more access. It's pretty important to put everything back together. For any questions or if you guys have hard time, you can comment below. I'll try my best to answer to everyone. Um, this is it. That was mechanic mode. Good luck and see you next time.